Comparing OnePlus 13 and Oppo Find X8, which is better? Choosing between the OnePlus 13 and Oppo Find X8 is tough, as both offer cutting-edge features, premium designs, and powerful performance. While OnePlus is known for its flagship killer approach with top-tier hardware, Oppo brings innovative camera technology and value-packed pricing. With differences in display, chipset, battery life, and pricing, this comparison helps determine which phone suits your needs best. Let's break down their strengths to see which one stands out. The OnePlus 13 and Oppo Find X8 both feature premium builds with glass fronts and backs, supported by aluminum frames. However, the OnePlus 13 offers an eco-leather variant, adding a unique texture and grip. Both devices boast IP68, IP69 water and dust resistance, making them highly durable. The OnePlus 13 has a larger 6.82-inch LTPO 4.1 AMOLED display, with a higher resolution 1440 by 3168 and sharper 510 ppi density. This makes it more detailed than the Find X8's 6.59-inch AMOLED screen with a resolution of 1256 2760 460 ppi. The OnePlus 13 also includes ceramic guard glass for protection, while the Find X8 relies on Gorilla Glass 7i. Both support 1B colors, 120Hz refresh rates, Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and Ultra HDR. However, the OnePlus 13 offers a more immersive experience due to its size and higher resolution. If you prioritize the best display quality for media consumption and gaming, the OnePlus 13 is the better choice. Snapdragon 8 Elite powers the OnePlus 13, while the Oppo Find X8 uses the MediaTek Dimensity 9400. Both are powerful, but Snapdragon generally offers better optimization, making the OnePlus 13 potentially more efficient. Battery-wise, the OnePlus 13 has a larger 6,000 mAh battery compared to the 56 and 30 mAh of the Find X8. It also charges faster with 100 watts wired charging, reaching 50% in just 13 minutes, while the Find X8 supports 80 watts wired charging. Both support 50-watt wireless and 10-watt reverse wireless charging. If battery longevity and faster charging are priorities, the OnePlus 13 is the winner. However, the Find X8 balances performance and power efficiently, making it a great option for those who prefer a MediaTek chipset. Both phones feature triple 50-megapixel rear cameras with periscope telephoto and ultra-wide lenses. The OnePlus 13 has a slightly larger sensor for its main camera, 1.43 mits, compared to the Find X8's 1.56, allowing for better light intake and improved low-light performance. Video recording is a standout feature on the OnePlus 13, supporting 8K at 30 FPS and higher slow-motion frame rates, whereas the Find X8 maxes out at 4K at 60 FPS. Both offer Hasselblad color calibration, laser autofocus, and excellent stabilization. For selfies, both phones have a 32-megapixel front camera with similar performance. However, the OnePlus 13's superior video recording capabilities and sensor size give it an edge for photography enthusiasts. Both the OnePlus 13 and Oppo Find X8 fall within a similar price range of $700 to $1,000, depending on the variant and region. This makes the decision more about features rather than cost. The OnePlus 13 offers a larger battery, higher resolution display, and superior video recording, while the Find X8 provides an additional Android upgrade and a slightly more compact form factor. Since their pricing is nearly identical, the choice comes down to whether you prefer OnePlus's performance and battery advantage or Oppo's long-term software support. But for overall flagship experience, the OnePlus 13 is the stronger pick. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.